Wait, we're not gonna publish the last Cuspidor of the year?
Right. Instead, we're gonna print this novel I've been working on.
What?
Here's what I have so far.
Are you sure he's here?
Yeah.
What if he isn't?
Just relax. Here. I'm just gonna get some more gasoline.
Hey, we met before, just outside Canton.
Okay.
What?
I said okay.
I can't hear you over this music. Maybe we should go somewhere quieter.
But just a minute ago you...
I think we should go somewhere quieter. Oh no! Do you know anything about engines?
Bit, I guess.
My motor just broke down. Maybe you could take a look under my hood.
Okay, let me just grab my toolbox.
Let me give you a hand there.
Johnny's mother's clothes. I like the prince and you like the king. We both like the way Freddie Mercury sings. We're in too deep to call this thing a fling. So which one of you's gonna let me?
What's wrong, honey?
Guess what I found when I was cleaning your armor today? Blonde paint? It's that panther at work, isn't it? All those patrols that ran late!
I can explain. Come on. No, don't go. Baby.
Baby, since you've been gone, I ain't doing so good. I don't get up, paint my face, and go out like I should. I get over you when the moon gets tired of chasing the sun. I get over you when all God's work on earth is done.
Oh, Armando, why did you have to go and break my heart?
No, sweetie, it's okay. It's okay. All guys are just pigs.
Thanks for that. Can we just publish the Cuspidor instead?
Whatever.